Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes EQA. In this video I'll show you where can you find toolset location. To find toolset location in your car, take a look at the trunk. Lift up the trunk floor and here you can find compressor, sealant, towing hook and emergency triangle. Let's check under the floor. And under the floor there is no space, which means that this car does not have spare tire. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.